Now, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mahesh R, ThinkStation Product Manager, APAC and Japan, Lenovo, to talk about ThinkStation P1.
We're entering a world where everything is possible. A flexible, incredible world where metal meets creativity.
We work very closely together with Autodesk, and we use their design software to generate our topology optimization start of the design. There's a lot of data we have to compute and we have to manage. And the ThinkStations are really powerful machines that allow us to manage all the data we get and work it into something we can actually use.
Thinkpad P1 Yoga is a very good and a flexible solution that allows me to do some small changes in real time without have to go back to my desk or to my workstation.
It actually bridges the gap between a tablet and a more professional machine. So it's powerful enough to do all the tasks we need to do, but at the same time it's flexible enough to work on site and be able to drive the robot. So it's kind of like a win-win situation for us.
Great. Good afternoon, Delhi. Okay. Well, it's great to be part of AU every year, right, from last 2 years. And this is our third event in 2018, right? We just finished an event in Japan, Thailand, and here we are in India, right? Today I have two jobs. My first job is to provide you all some information about Lenovo, which you do not know prior today. And my second job is to quickly complete my first job and provide you a couple of more minutes to enjoy your lunch, right? So let me start with the Lenovo's legacy. How did the Lenovo start? Then which are the companies we acquired from last couple of decades, right? We started with the PC business, then we started focusing more on enterprise business, right? And today we have the complete solution, right from PC to servers to storage to mobility, everything, right? And just to give you a small information, we sell 4 devices every second globally, which includes right from Motorola mobile phones to storage, servers, PCs, everything. Every second we are selling 4 devices. But yes, in today's, my friends, you are more interested in workstations, right? So this is our entire product range of ThinkStations, which we have fixed workstations, mobile workstation, which caters to all the segments and to all the verticals, right? So we have 4 different fixed workstation and 4 different models of mobile workstations. I'll not get into the technical details as such. So what's new in 2018? Very important thing is we have developed a diagnostic tool for ThinkStation specific, right, which we did not had last year or previous years, right? So what this particular tool does, it detects if there's any error on your ThinkStation in real time. So this saves the time if there's any error in the machine. So this is one of the key features which we have launched in 2018. And I want to take this opportunity to announce that we have launched a couple of new models in 2018. So one of the key product is P330 Tiny, which is world's smallest workstation ever on planet Earth. This is like 1 liter chassis, which has 2 GB dedicated card with the processor, with the hard drive, and the memory, right? So this is the product which we have launched in 2018. And another model is our mobile workstations, P72, most powerful workstation. And we have launched one of the world's lightest and thinnest mobile workstation last month worldwide, but I take this opportunity to launch P1 on this very AU platform P1 product. So let me just play in a small video about P1.
It's an amazing feeling to drive an Aston Martin.
It's a privilege to drive an Aston Martin.
They're designed by passionate people for passionate people.
They're clearly objects of design, and they're a thing of great beauty.
I think it's consistency in the design, really understanding who our customers are.
I think it's something that we want our customers to enjoy. Nobody needs an Aston Martin, but everybody wants one, and we're quite happy to scratch that itch. I think the key similarities between the Thinkpad P1 and Aston Martin are around that kind of respect and acknowledgement of the heritage.
The Thinkpad P1's design philosophy and Aston Martin's design philosophy are very similar. They both strive for that engineering perfection, but also strive to design a product that's made to be enjoyed.
And there's been no compromise, which is pretty much what an Aston Martin is. My role involves identifying all of the hardware needs for the various work streams throughout the company and then finding an appropriate model of desktop, laptop or workstation to match those needs. Lenovo is present in our workflow right through from the design of the cars to the production. My first impressions when I first seen the Thinkpad P1 was I didn't actually believe that we could get everything that I was asking for inside something as small and light in comparison to other mobile workstations. That was one of the I can't believe this is real sort of moments for me. It's been a gap in the market for so long.
It's pretty impressive when you consider it's got an extremely top-end NVIDIA graphics card and it's got a lot of processing power.
The Thinkpad P1 really just has a lot more flexibility, particularly in our engineering, where they need to do a lot of work on 3D and different to the type of usage that I have.
The portability in general while you're going around on a wind tunnel, which is not always easy, and going on a track is not always necessarily a desk there. So having a lightweight, very powerful laptop is extremely useful. It can take a Xeon processor, which can support ECC RAM when we're trying to load a full car and when we're analysing large simulation results from our CFD post-processing, for example. It needs a pretty powerful machine.
I think cool design is important, but that has to be combined with practicality. It has to tick a lot of boxes, and I think the Thinkpad P1 does that and makes it a useful bit of kit for our team to use. I think a partnership with Lenovo, the key points that I think bring the two together are really well engineered and well thought out products, and we see that acknowledgement of our pedigree and good engineering, and I think that's what made Lenovo an attractive proposition to us.
It's come a long way to be able to deliver this. I hate to use the word game changer, but it is that for us.
Wow. Doesn't that impressive? Can you guess what's in my hand? It's an Ultrabook notebook. So this is the world's thinnest and lightest mobile workstations. And I take this opportunity to launch this particular product in India at this moment. Right? So I thank Balaji and Pradeep to give us an opportunity to participate in AU from last year and this year, and we are very glad to be a partner with Autodesk. And I would like each and everyone to come to Lenovo booth and please check out this machine. And we have a questionnaire, which please feedback form with the questionnaire, which you need to fill in. And trust me, we have 10 tablets to give away for the lucky winners, right? So with that note, I take a leave, and I expect most of you to bump into our Lenovo stall. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.